What's the meaning of cursory? Cursory. Cursory.
Cursory. Cursory. Cursory means something done or performed quickly, without attention to detail, or with only a superficial level of knowledge. A cursory examination or review is one that is brief and insufficient for identifying all relevant facts or issues. It implies a lack of thoroughness or depth. For instance, a cursory glance at a report may give a general idea of the contents, but may not reveal critical information hidden within it or provide a comprehensive understanding of the subject matter. Similarly, a cursory inspection of a building may fail to detect structural problems that require attention.